With an advanced sale order, you can easily manage multiple credit notes and returns for the same sale, while also applying them to specific fulfillments and invoices within the order. In this example, let's assume the customer is returning some products from a previous sale. To begin, select Plus Credit Note. The Credit Note section expands to show two tabs, New Credit Note and New Restock. We'll start with the restock process in this tutorial, but you can also begin by authorizing the credit note if preferred. Under the New Restock tab, select the invoice that includes the products being returned. Then click Copy from Credit Note Fulfillment, which automatically populates the previously fulfilled products to the restock list. From here, you can adjust the product quantities being returned, change the restock location if it's different from the sale location, and update the restock date. Click Save to leave the return as a draft, or Authorize to restock the products back into your inventory. You can also restock products right from the Warehouse Management System mobile app for on-the-go returns handling. Once the return has been processed, we'll create a credit note to refund the customer. Let's select New Credit Note. Then start by choosing the credit note date and select the associated invoice, which automatically populates the credit note with the products associated with the invoice or with the returns we just processed. Take a moment to review the return details and make any necessary edits to products or additional charges such as shipping. When you're ready to finalize the credit note, click Authorize. These credit notes can also be useful for situations like overcharged items, incomplete shipments, post-sale discounts, or credits. After authorizing, you can either issue a refund or create a customer credit to apply to a future sale. We'll issue a refund in this example. Click Plus Refund. Enter an optional reference number from the payment, then the date paid, and the amount refunded. Then click Save to record the transaction. Be sure to review how authorized credit notes and their associated refunds sync between Sin7 Core and your accounting integration. We've now completed a full workflow for processing a return, credit note, and a refund using an advanced sale order in Sin7 Core.